In the randomized trial, participants consistently reported that the ultra-processed meals were more enjoyable, filled with enhanced flavors that made it difficult to stop eating. Each bite felt like a quick escape into a world of indulgence, masking the reality of their increasing calorie intake. As they savored the ultra-processed options, the idea of fullness became a distant memory, overshadowed by the pleasure derived from each mouthful. Despite knowing the calorie content, participants found themselves caught in a cycle of immediate gratification. Each day blurred into the next, with their bodies responding not to their nutritional needs but rather to the presented stimuli. The ready-to-eat meals provided a convenience that felt irresistible, almost as if they were designed to keep them coming back for more. Conversations surrounding hunger shifted, focusing not on physical symptoms but rather the cravings that the ultra-processed foods created. It was evident that the more they consumed, the more they craved, leading them to question if they could ever return to the simplicity of whole foods. They were left to ponder the long-term effects of such diets and whether they would ever truly satiate their hunger again. As the trial progressed, researchers noted behavioral changes that intrigued them. Meal times became less about nourishment and more about relaxation or entertainment. Participants often turned to their phones or television during meals, distractedly munching away at their ultra-processed snacks. Conversations became muted, replaced by the rustling of wrappers and the crunch of chips, highlighting how the environment influenced their eating habits. This multifaceted experience of eating was both eye-opening and troubling, revealing a growing disconnect between food and mindful consumption. Each bite of processed food seemed to whisper promises of satisfaction, yet the lingering question remained: will they ever regain an understanding of their body's true hunger signals? The participants were amazed by how effortlessly they consumed their meals, as if each ultra-processed bite was engineered to delight their senses. They found themselves lingering on the couch, reaching for more, and savoring the moments of indulgence while their minds toyed with guilt. That familiar tug of hunger never truly surfaced. Instead, they felt an endless desire for the flavors that these convenient foods presented. In those hours spent eating, the joy of connection with food faded, replaced by a mechanical approach to dining that underscored their growing dependence. In conclusion, as participants grappled with the intricate relationship between pleasure and nourishment, they were left with a stark realization: the pursuit of enjoyment in eating came at a cost. Shifting towards whole foods became not just an option, but a necessary step for regaining control over their health and relationship with food.